We can grab a day. Okay, slow down.
Didn't plan on crying today. Wow, God bless them.
Hey, your dad sent you something.
What is it?
Sis. I mean, how can you not love this? Look at that, man. Even a thug can cry on that.
Hello, sis. My name is Carter.
Man, that is truly heartwarming. Man, I'm not crying, y'all crying. I'm finna go ahead, come on. Where is that going?
Yes, ma'am. And like I said, I'll
They just saved a life.
And we're bagging the chips and all the good stuff. So we're planning to give away at least 100 bags with like a turkey sandwich, chips, and a water. So let's see how it goes.
Hey, no problem.
Have a good day. Thank you.
All right, you too. All right, y'all.
Yes, sir.
How it taste? It tastes good?
Great. Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir. Have a good one, y'all.